pieces, skin and bone. Ah, welcome home.
Walking out of time, looking for a better place. Something's on my mind, always in my empty space. But I know someday